My name is Martha Champagne, and I am the principal and owner of Champagne Designs. I was inspired by a trip I took with my family to Tuscany. Just that feeling of joy and calm and feeling connected with my family and my surroundings. I wanted people to experience that same feeling of joy. There's a lot of hard surfaces in my space. I felt like a soft palette would soften those hard edges and make it more inviting. For example, in my bathroom, I used Folium, which is a beautiful glass tile. It has a lot of movement, and it is similar to using a wallpaper, except it is functional in a bathroom space. My space features 2 custom mosaics from Artistic Tile, Michelle Gerson's Spot On. I love that I was able to customize it with the Arabescato Corkia background, which I then pulled into my vanities and the wainscoting. The Keys Pink Lady is a beautiful linear tile that gives me an amazing background for my beautiful art. Also, it's a great counterpoint to all of the flowing elements in my space. The penny lane I used in my space is beautiful, but also highly functional. I think tiling a ceiling is a great way of adding texture and color in a space. In a wet room, it is essential. Using natural stone elevates a space.
My name is Kate Figler. I'm a Nashville-based residential interior designer and owner of Kate Figler Interiors. The inspiration for our space was Botticelli's painting, The Birth of Venus. We fell in love with the feminine look of the painting and the color palette and the references to nature. The natural stone in this space is truly, I think, one of the most spectacular parts of the room. It's a natural element within the space, and it truly has the color palette that can only be found in nature. And so we just are so grateful to Artistic Tile for providing us with this incredible quartzite. Natural stone is one of those elements that, because it comes from Mother Nature, it has a tonality to it, a mixing of colors, a pattern to it that you can't create. It truly is a spectacular, unique, one-of-a-kind piece. Our hope is that our visitors can come in, mix a drink, sit down, gather with friends over conversation and just really enjoy the space. And that's one of the beauties of quartzite, is how durable it is. So, lime juice and alcohol and all the things that are going on over here, we hope our visitors know that they can not only enjoy how everything looks in here, but really use it.
I'm Tiffany Woodson. I'm the founder of Ink and Oro. We are a comprehensive design firm that brings together interior designers as well as architects to produce a design that's cohesive and detail-oriented. Something that's never been done in the Kips Space Show House is taking on both the ladies' room and the gentlemen's room. The inspiration for our room design really stemmed from the French architecture of the building. With that, we thought that a French smoking jacket concept would blend seamlessly in the men's. My favorite spots in this room are where the Hudson check meets the Gracie wall covering and creates an art moment. My other favorite moment is this beautiful detailing on the Calcutta gold that we have, and how the trim works with the space to create kind of a next level detailing. Mixing that with the metallic papers, brass fittings, and materials takes it to another level of luxury and masculinity that's very inspiring. In the women's, we went with more of a boudoir concept. The unexpected grandness in the women's restroom is the power of pink. When a designer is working at their best, they have the power to change people's perception of a color. I have loved moire for a long time. The ability to use it as a mosaic in the Kips Space Show House is so special. Natural stone can bring a timeless quality to a room that other materials cannot. There's something elevated and warm and approachable about a natural stone that will never go out of style.
Hi, I'm Tracy Connell. I'm an interior designer here in Dallas, Texas. I have a firm, Tracy Connell Interiors, and I've been in this business for 23 years. The Femme Fumoir is a cigar lounge. And when I was assigned this space, I got really excited because I knew that I could create something to push the boundaries. It's interesting as we go on the hunt for our clients that we find one thing which will naturally lead to the next. I found the 1800s antique stone mantle, which led me to the vintage sink, also from the 1800s, old vintage natural stone, yet bringing in this beautiful Cipollino. They absolutely work together. I love the color aubergine. I have for years. I feel like aubergine, cream, gold, taupes, they're so classic, they're so rich, which is exactly what I wanted in this space, a place of indulgence. And I feel like this deep color, it just solidified the direction that I was going for this entire cigar lounge. The reliability, the relationships in this industry is really key. Knowing who you can count on as a vendor, like Artistic Tile, knowing they've got our back in every single new construction renovation project is something that's comforting, which is why we turn to them again and again.